Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening whenever and wherever you watch this video. I hope you are in good condition because today with me, Ludwigos Adihira, we are gonna talk about education technology tool. So in this video, I will review about Quiziz application. So enjoy this video. So guys, you are mostly maybe familiar with Quiziz. So what is Quiziz? Quiziz is an education technology tool that helps students and also teacher help the students to get an exercise that they need and help the teacher to make a daily quizzes or to make an assessment or to make a homework. So guys, after we know about what Quiziz is, so we jump to the next page. We jump to the user experience. So is the content presented clearly? Yes, Quiziz content presented clearly. Is the educational technology tool aesthetically pleasing? Of course, Quiziz is an educational technology tool that aesthetically pleasing because basically the Quiziz is a game-based learning. So the student must be enjoy it, and when we as a student do quizzes, there is a music that accompany when the student doing the assignment or homework. And the students must be enjoy because the students can compete with the other friends in this game. So the last, using quizzes make teacher and students easily navigate. So because comprehensive reports and integration with learning platform make the assessing easily. So next, we jump to the language practice. So Quiziz is an application which can make a variety of assessment. So the learners can practice on the language skills and also the teacher can make assessment of all the language skills. So how much control do learners have to over the pace of learning? In Quiziz, there are the limit of time for each question, so the learners can control time wisely. And this product or Quiziz is very helpful for teaching in a larger class because there is no limitation for participant to join the game. So guys, in this slide we are gonna talk about language learning. So in the first one, can users set their learning goals? Of course, the user can set their learning goals in Quiziz with try some exercise until all questions are answered with the correct answer. For example, a student wants fluently in present tense. He can try present tense exercise until 100% of the questions are answered correctly. And the second, are there self-assessment opportunities? Yes, there is a self-assessment opportunities. Self-assessment occurs when the students do self-monitoring. Can teacher observe learners' strengths and weakness? The teacher can observe learners' strengths and weakness because there are some reports that includes result for all of the games that teacher have hosted. And number 5, what opportunities are this for communication between? And number 5, what opportunities are this for communication between learners and what collaborative opportunities there? Nowadays, Google Form and also Quiziz combine to get students to collaborate in the quiz. So students can work together to do the quizzes. So in this slide, we are gonna talk about the technical information. So the first one is what device or internet connection are needed. So Quiziz works on any device, and of course Quiziz need a stable internet connection, because with stable internet connection the application or the program can working well. And the second is how does education technology tool use your data. So Quiziz or this product does not consume a lot of internet data, so don't worry about your internet data because this application does not consume a lot of internet data. And the last is there any user support that the application or web provides? Of course, Quiziz can work with an application or a web. For these people who do not have the application, can do it in the web. You can search quiziz.com, or if you want to download the application, you can go to the App Store and download it, because Quiziz is a free application, so you can download and use it anytime and anywhere. As a teacher, we can make assessment, homework or quiz in Quiziz application. So the first step that we must do is open Quiziz in Google, searching Quiziz in Google, or we can do with download the application, the Quiziz application, and do it there. So today I will do the first one. I will do the Quiziz in Google. Just search the Quiziz and then click the Quiziz. After that, click the button in the left corner, create. If you don't have account, you can make it first. So you can fill the name of your quiz, name, vocabulary, and you can choose the relevant subjects. I choose English subjects and click the button, next button. And there are many types of assessment: multiple choice, checkbox, fill in the blank, poll, open-ended, and slides. And today I will choose the multiple choice assessment. And you fill the question and also the answer option. The answer option, the meaning of me, and we must fill the answer option. And we check the correct option. We also can add some image, audio, and video, and we can choose the limit of time of each question. And after we save, and we can add new question, we can add more question. And if we done with it, we click the done button and we choose the select grades. I choose from kindergarten until the second grades. We can make our quizzes public or private. I choose the public one and click the save button. And after that, you can share your link to your students. Just click the share and copy link. And after that, the link was copied and you can share to your students to do your assessment. So I will explain to you how to use Quiziz as a student and what features that Quiziz provide to students. So for those people who have Quiziz application, just open the Quiziz application, and for those people who do not have Quiziz application, we can open the Google and then search Quiziz. Just click the Quiziz, and after that the Quiziz will be opened, and this is the homepage of Quiziz. If you have a code from your teacher, you can input your code at here and join the game. But if you wanna search some material or exercise, you can click the pencarian or searching and input the material that you wanna do. For example, vocabulary. And there is many games you can choose. There is a description about the difficulty, the level of the difficulty, and just click the latihan and then click mulai, start, and the game will be start. So just during the game, just click the correct answer, and the optional will be green if you choose the correct answer. And there is some items that can help you to do this game. It's very fun. Let's use it. And the optional will be red if you choose the incorrect answer. And there will be a second choice, so you can reply again the wrong answer. And after you finish, you can see your rank and your scores, and you can see which material that you cannot do well, which material that you cannot answer correctly, and you can learn again about those material. So that is the future that Quiziz provide to students.